In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell Bitcoin in Nigeria. Not only Bitcoin, any other cryptocurrency here in Nigeria. So for this tutorial, we'll be using Binance because Binance is the only reliable place and secure, very safe and secure place you can buy and sell your crypto. Any type of crypto at all, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, any type of coin in Nigeria. Yeah, so in this tutorial we'll be using Binance. So let me open the Binance app and take you to this Binance. Okay, so after opening the Binance, remember, if you don't have any account, you can't do this, you can't buy. So you must create your account, and not only creating, you have to verify your account. So I'm going to wait for this chart to load. Network issue. So I will go to the wallet tab, look at the home tab, the market, the trade, the futures, and the wallet tab. Okay, let me off my data and on it again so that this chart will load. Okay, refresh. Slow it down. Okay. Okay, so after opening the Binance app, this is what you will see. This is the home tab, the home page. Then we have the market page. Here you can see my favorite market I usually trade. Then these are trades. When you want to place any trade, you can choose the type of cryptocurrency. As you can see, is Doge versus USDT. Then the futures. Those that are not familiar with Binance won't understand this area. So this is the wallet where your amount, the money you have, will display in here. Network, so it will load. Okay, so this under the wallet tab, you have the overview where all your money, this it will load, and this money I have currently now. Based on different cryptocurrency I have, and this spot. You can see different type of cryptocurrency I have here. I have the Binance USDT, Ethereum, the Binance BNB, which is Binance, and the Dogecoin, the Litecoin, the Cardano, and I don't know which one is this. So we go to Fundy. Under Fundy, yeah, this here available balance supposed to show. Okay, USDT, I think this is the USDT I have. It's not up to $1 because I just sold my last USDT, which is US dollars. So for this tutorial, we'll be using peer-to-peer. This is here you do the buying and selling of all your cryptocurrency. You can see the ones that are available for sale: the USDT, the BTC, the Bitcoin, the Binance USDT, the Binance USD, then the Binance, the Ethereum, the recently added Naira, and the So I don't know the full name of that. So for this tutorial, I will be buying, or let me buy Bitcoin. So this is the sell and this is the buy. Remember the sell and the buy. Look at the sell here and the buy here. Yes, the buy here and the sell here. This is when you want to buy. These are traders. The list of traders available to sell at the moment, because we are in the buy tab. We're in the buy tab. Once you go to the sell tab, when you have BTC in your Binance and you want to sell, these are list of traders available to buy from you right now. But when you go to the buy tab, these are list of traders available to sell for you right now. I mean right now. You can see some of them have been restricted based on one reason or the other, probably because of scamming. It's very safe and secure. There's no way you can lose your money here, only if you follow the instructions. Then you can see the number of trade they have done. Some have done up to 4,200 trade, 1,000 trade, 3,700 trade, and you can see their percentage. One thing you look after is the number of their trade and their percentage. For me, I usually don't buy from who is below 100 trade. I usually don't buy from them but although they have make up to 100 trade, what I usually do before is those below 50. I don't usually buy from them. So you can see this one is up to 81 trade. Maybe it's just a new person here. So for the sake of this tutorial, I want to buy a Bitcoin of 4,000 naira, and you can see the limit. This one have, this one here have, yeah. Oh, let me go back to the BTC. You can see the limit. This one here have, you have. I see the limit. Okay, this one limit is 15,000 naira to 69,000, meaning from from 15,000 naira. This guy can sell. The minimum you have to sell is 15,000 naira, and the maximum you can buy is 69,000 naira. Therefore, this guy, you can see, is 5,000 naira is the minimum you have to sell, and the maximum you can buy is, and the maximum you can sell, sorry, the maximum you can sell is 99,000 naira. So depending on the price you want to buy, you have to look for the ones that have the amount you want to buy. Like for me, I want to buy 4,000 naira, and for this guy, you can see you have a price of, let me delete, you have a price, the minimum you can sell is 4,000, and the maximum you can sell also is 105,000 naira. So I'm going to trade with this guy because one reason to is number of trade is up to 1,800, and the percentage is fair. So I will click on the buy, yeah, and I will remember on the tab okay, so you can see fiat. Remember fiat, because you want to type your amount in naira. So 4,000 naira, and the value here will automatic quantity of BTC. So with zero fee, that is one good thing about Binance. With zero fee, unless the seller would decide to charge you on this one, so another will be created. So I have to go to his chart. Remember, his chart is here. His chart is here. His chart is here. So I have to go to his chart to see what he's saying. Okay, boss, I think I will be the one to transfer the money to him. Okay, I will be the one to transfer the money to him. Okay, so this is the account. I will be payment methods, bank. Okay, I will click on the make payment. Yeah, I will click on the make payment, and this is the account I will want to transfer to. Take note of the account. This is the account I want to transfer to. So I will just know what to do. I will just take note of the account and write out the account number, the bank name, and the name of the account. I will make the 4,000 naira transfer to him right now. So which I will do. So let me do the transfer. I will just minimize my app. I want to close it because trade is still on, and make the transfer. So after making the transfer to him, I will go back to the app because I just made the transfer. I will go back to the app and think I will chat him up. Transferred, notified seller. I think this is a new method, so I will just click on the transfer notified seller. Okay. Oh, I did not on my data. Let me on the data. Okay. Okay, I will click on, because I did not on my data, so I will have to click on make payment. Okay. Transferred. I will click on the transfer notify seller to notify the seller that yes, I have transferred the money. So I will wait here. For me to receive the BTC. So I will have to wait. So I will keep waiting, and I will go to the chart again. This is the chart here. This is the chart here at the top right corner. So I will go to him and say, okay, I have made my transfer. I just sent the money. So I'll wait for him. So what he just have to do is to release the BTC he already have in his Binance to me, and Binance will notify that yes, you have sent the money to him. Although I also receive an SMS. Remember, before you can do this, you have to create an account with Binance and verify it with any of your valid ID card, probably your NIN, your voter's card, any passport also, before you can do this. And you also have to add your account. I think you have to subscribe, so that I will show you in my next video how to add an account to Binance, and I have to also verify it, okay, so that you can trade very easily on Binance. But if you're already verified, you will see the peer-to-peer and you can trade safely. So I'm still waiting for the guy. Tick network is still disturbing me. Let me on and off my data again. Still waiting for him. Okay, before remember it was showing the order was releasing. So currently now the guy just released the Bitcoin to me. So we'll have to give the guy a positive for at least he tried, and I can leave a comment of fast transaction, I can say politely. So I will just, okay, yeah, the guy will just release the Bitcoin. So that is how you can buy and sell crypto. You can see it's under, yeah, this is one I sold recently, and this I've just bought again. And you can see the trader's name are showing here. You can see the trader's name are showing here. So that is it, and I will have to go back to my balance and see if truly I've received it. Okay, satisfactory survey. Let me check satisfactory survey. And let me go back and see if it's added to my balance. Go back later. So it's my funding. So you can see my Bitcoin just added it's $5, and so this is how you can actually buy and sell Bitcoin here in Nigeria. So going back to the peer-to-peer, I forgot to tell you guys something. Go back to the peer-to-peer. There are different type of peer. There are the Express. I don't know about this block trade, but I know that this Express is when you click it, if it is USDT you want to buy or sell. I don't know what is wrong with my phone, it's hanging. Okay, you can see it will just take you to this place. So any type of crypto you want to sell, buy or sell, you can see just place the quantity or probably the amount. Let me go back. Just place the amount, then payment method supposed to show. So it won't take you to all this list of sellers here or buyers. To just take you to direct place the amount and the payment method, and easily once you can. So this is where if you want to sell, remember this tab is, now I'm in the set tab. Okay, I'm in the set tab. So these are list of sellers available to sell to you, and remember this guy is ready to trade a minimum. He's ready to sell a minimum. The minimum you can sell, if you want to buy 10,000 naira USDT, remember I'm in the USDT tab here right now. If you want to sell USDT to him for 10,000 naira, he won't sell for you, because the minimum available to sell now for him is, the minimum he can sell for you is 8 million naira. And for this guy, and this same guy, the maximum he can sell out right now is 50 million naira. So that is it. And you can also see the number of trade you have made, the number of trade, just like that. Like this guy, 18 million is the minimum, 50 million is the maximum. Then probably if you want to sell or you want to buy, okay, I'm in the sell now. You are the one selling, so they are ready to buy from you. So they want to buy from you, so you are the one selling now. Just like we have here, you are the one to sell now. if you want to buy, come here. Oh, let me clean this. You come here and buy. So these are the ones that are valuable to sell to you. They want to sell to you, but I'm under USDT. Okay, and when you want to sell, these are the ones that can buy for you. They are valuable to buy for you. Then imagine you want to sell more, probably a Bitcoin, USDT of 4,000. You have to check, search. Although you will see, but you have to keep searching, keep going down, just keep going down. That is where you see. Okay, I mistakenly click someone else. You can see this guy now. The minimum. So I saw someone of the thing. You have to refresh. So you have to keep going down. Although you will see someone that can sell for you. Although before you can see someone that can be able to sell 1,000 naira for you or buy 1,000 naira from you, but currently now you can't see. I think the minimum you can see is 4 to 5,000 naira. So you have to keep going down. Like for this guy now, you can see the minimum it can buy for you because you are the one selling. Oh, sorry, you are the one selling. The minimum it can buy for you right now is 20,000 naira. At the same time, the maximum it can also buy from you is 6.6 million. So that is it. So when you keep searching, probably the time okay, this is someone selling 8,000 naira. So if someone buying from you 8,000 naira, and the maximum which is 365,000 naira. So that is it on how to buy Bitcoin using Binance, and it's the safest way and very reliable and fast. You can easily get Bitcoin and you can just store them for investment purpose. Store them, then you can also transfer. In my next video, I will teach you how you can transfer to any any cryptocurrency of your shares. Just do simple transfer to any type of cryptocurrency of your shares. You can also see a list of cryptocurrency. Binance have them all. So thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe so that you get more of my video. Thank you.